Class 8th Standard. Subject, English. Unit 3. Three point 1. Why? English Workshop. Question 1. Read the poem, discuss and complete the following blanks with proper action words. Verb. Wood, swim. Marbles, sink. Stars, shine. Winds, blows. Sun, sink. Flowers, die. Ocean, ebbs. Fish, gills. Rain, falls. Ice, melt. Bees, sting. Question 2. Discuss in pairs and write the rhyming pairs of words from the poem. 1. Sink, drink. 2. Sky, die. 3. Nose, flows. 4. Fly, sky. 5. Stone, bone. 6. Flies, rise. Question 3. Why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why by and by? In these two lines the word why is repeated, so it is a figure of speech called repetition. Repetition. It is a figure of speech in which one or more words are repeated in the same sentence. Example, Son, son, it gives me a great joy. Question 4. Complete the web diagram. The little boy wants to know why rain falls from the sky, why we eat and drink, why the flowers die, why boys cannot fly. Question 5. Complete the following blanks from the poem. Words from the poem, related to environment. Stars. Stone. Flowers. Clouds. Sky. Wind. Question 5. Complete the following blanks from the poem. Words from the poem, related to animals or fruits or insects. Apple core. Flies. Spiders. Sting. Fish. Seeds. Question 6. Imagine a senior student from your school has won a national level quiz contest. Frame 8 to 10 interview questions that you would ask when you interview him or her at the school assembly, about the achievement. Answer. Congratulations for your great success. 1. How do you feel after winning such a contest? 2. Have you received such recognition before? Please give details. 3. Who has inspired you to take part in such quiz contest? Four. What were the reaction of your family to this achievement? 5. Who else would you give credit of your success? 6. How did you prepare for this quiz? 7. What is your plan for the future? 8. Which books did you refer for this contest? 9. Who helped you to make your dream come true? Question 7. Word chain, complete the word chain. Example, eat, tiger, run, nose, easy. 1. Sky, yak, kind, deer, report. 2. Cloud, duck, king, gun, naughty. 3. Wind, deep, prey, yawn. 4. Star, right, tiger, run, night. 5. White, yellow, wind, dog, good.